Hello, I'm Suzanne Reece, and I will be hosting a series of workshops to help students who are studying for their solicitors qualifying examinations, SQE1. In my workshops, we are going to look at the assessment process. Now, we know that the SQE1 is examined by students completing multiple choice questions and selecting the single best answer from 5 different options. In workshop 1, we're going to look at why it's important to understand how you work your way through these multiple choice questions. They're not just testing your memory, they're testing your application of the law. And they're there to sort out the students who genuinely understand the law and how to apply it, and those students who are just trying to rely on memorizing facts. So we're going to look at why it's important to understand what's being tested, why it's important to have a strategy for answering your multiple choice questions, and to give you a strategy to help you study effectively at the very beginning of your course. In workshop 2, we're going to look at the MCQ strategy a bit more, and we're going to start to troubleshoot problems that may occur as you work your way through sample questions. And then in workshop 3, we're going to dive even deeper. We're really going to start to apply our MCQ strategy as we go through some detailed sample questions, with you having an opportunity to ask questions, having put the strategy into practice and work through it. So I hope you will join me on the 3 workshops that we're going to do at the very beginning of your study of your solicitors qualifying examinations. I look forward to seeing you on that journey.